Hi, welcome to my channel. This is a great success story about our recent trade in one particular script known as Alumni Enterprises 230 call option. We used to give jackpot trading tips, double money trading tips, triple money trading tips in our Bull Street Casino online trading tips magazine. Our paid subscribers are making wonderful money month after month. Every month we used to give jackpot profit. In this August month series, we gave many trading tips. All of the trading tips are super duper trading tips, gave very good profit. In this group of trading tips, one trading tip gave a super duper massive amazing profit. This Adani Enterprises 230 call option I recommended at the price of just 1 rupee, a single 1 rupee. Few weeks back, recently few days ago, this particular 230 call option raised to a level of 82 rupees. Of course, the lot size is 4,000. Imagine the massive profit. 1 rupee has grown into 82 rupees. Suppose a person, a trader, a subscriber invested 1 lakh rupees in this script, means within a span of few weeks, the 1 lakh rupees has grown into 82 lakhs rupees. Can you imagine such a quantum of money? Just imagine, just visualize the quantum of money. 1 lakh rupees has rise to 82 lakhs rupees. So this is nearly about a crore. Suppose the same subscriber have gone to different trading tips given in my Bull Street Casino online trading tips. He could have made 1 crore rupees in 1 month, single month. A person is able to make 1 crore rupees with a small capital like a few lakhs of rupees. So this is our success story. So I request all the new viewers to please subscribe to this particular channel. Subscribing to this particular channel is free, of course. If you want to make massive profits, super duper profit, bumper profits or jackpot profits, if you want to make lakhs of rupees month after month, every month consistently, if you want to make lakhs of rupees, if you want to touch, if you want to feel, if you want to sense a crores of rupees, if you want to be a crorepati, it is better to subscribe to Bull Street Casino online trading tips magazine. The subscription details are given in the description box. There is a website, a blog is called bullstreet.com English. Click the link, go to the website. You can able to find the subscription details. So I can tell you the subscription details right now. Subscribing to Bull Street Casino online trading tips magazine, the monthly subscription is just 35,000 rupees, 35,555 rupees per month. And there is an offer. The monthly subscription rate is 25,555 only. If you want to go for annual subscription basis, the annual subscription is 1.25 lakhs of rupees per year. And here there is an offer, a fabulous offer. The offer rate is 75,555 rupees per year. It is nothing but if you are paying 3 months subscription, you will enjoying subscription for 1 whole year, 12 full months. In 12 full months, you can able to make jackpot profits, double money profits, and even more. So please subscribe to Bull Street Casino online trading tips magazine. Invest few lakhs in your trading account. Get the trading tips from our magazine. Trade yourself. Make mint money. Be a crorepati. Thank you very much. I am Vijay.